Alright.
Okay, I'm sorry I didn't film, and in my previous video I'm very sorry, but I was very not informative. I didn't say too much, but as many as you said, the fuel pump was working in a previous episode, so that works now as well. And I did not have ignition. I thought I did, but I didn't. But I just changed the plugs and now it fires. So now I have just mounted the radiator and I get some hose clamps right there and a new one right there. And now I'm mounting the radiator with the zip tie for now. And yeah, I will just get some coolant in it and then it will fire again. So I'm really excited to get this car out and start driving it. Maybe get plates on it tomorrow. It'll be great fun.